Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to get points on Adidas app. So let's get started. First, sign up for AdiClub and complete your profile. Over here, make purchases while signed into your account on the Adidas app or adidas.com. After that, participate in Adidas runners events and activities in the Adidas running and training apps, ensuring your runs are tracked by GPS or activities are tracked by duration. Then complete reviews for products you've purchased. Over here, for in-store purchases, show your AdiClub pass or provide your email or AdiClub ID at checkout. After that, check your account for points allocation once your order is confirmed and shipped or within 24 hours for in-store purchases. Then, if points are not allocated after a week, contact customer service. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next